शेनवारा हळदोणच्या सेंट थॉमस बॉयज इश्कॉलान फाउंडर्स दिसा निमतान वार्षिक पद्धती प्रमाण अखिल गोंय पावण्यार आंतरशालेय क्विज सर्त आयोजीत केल्ली. ह्या सर्तींत पयलें इनाम पणजेच्या शारदा मंदिर इश्कॉलाक, दुसरें इनाम म्हापशेच्या आमोणकर इश्कॉलाक आनी तिसरें इनाम म्हापशेच्या सेंट ब्रिटोज इश्कॉलाक फावो जालां. RDX गोवा खातीर हळदोणच्यान जोसेफ फेर्नांडीस.
Thank you, Father.
I am Father Valerian Carvalho, the headmaster of St. Thomas Boys High School. On the auspicious occasion of our Founders' Day, Father Peter Mary Mamiya, we conducted all Goa quiz competition for different schools in the state. There were around 23 teams, and then we have the preliminary round, and after the preliminary rounds, we had 4 teams that participated in the final quiz. And I am happy to inform you that the first place was bagged by Sharada Mandir, followed by Amonkar School, Mapsa. That was followed by St. Brito's, Mapsa. I would also like to thank on this auspicious occasion our chief guest, the Vice Principal of St. Xavier's College, Miss Margaret, and the guest of honor, Miss Mabel Dessa, the former headmistress of New Goa School, Lenissa Linson, the quiz master for the day. It was an achievement of teachers, students, and all of us here. St. Thomas Boys High School is proud that we had a successful quiz, and I would also like to thank all the people that make this quiz a success story.
Very happy, it was very nice. The winning it was very nice.
Were you confident that you would win this time?
Not confident, and it was sure because other schools also were very good.
What was most interesting in this quiz competition?
In the way how well organized it was, and even all the teams were so competitive, and at the same time they were very nice to each other, and that is really good.
How do you feel being the winners in the Goa?
Excellent, because it's such a prestigious competition, and winning among so many other schools is very nice.
So what memories are you carrying from here now?
Everything.
Everything. So all the best.